Welcome everyone, here's how you lock the Safari app in your iPhone. So we're going to use a little glitch, but it works really well. So the first step is you're going to open up the clock app. Yes, the clock app. You're going to tap into timer. You're going to tap on when timer ends. And you just want to scroll down. So make sure you scroll down until you see stop playing. Tap on this one and then tap on set. Now you're going to open up the shortcuts app. And if you don't have the shortcuts app, this is built into your iPhone. If you still don't have it, download it from the App Store. It's completely free. You're going to find automation. If you don't see this option, you will need to upgrade to the latest version of iOS. From here, you're going to tap on create personal automation. If you already made a personal automation, there'll be a plus button at the top right. From here, we're going to scroll down and we're going to find app. Then we're going to tap on choose and you're going to search for Safari. Now you can select any app here, you can select multiple, so maybe you want to lock your WhatsApp, stuff like that. You can just tap on the WhatsApp to tick. Again, any app works with this. We'll tap on next, add action, and you just want to search for timer. Tap on start timer for 1 second, okay? Now we'll tap on next, turn off ask before running, don't ask, and done. So now when we open up Safari, after a second, it's going to lock my iPhone. I need to unlock it again to regain access to the Safari app. Even if the app is open in the background, when I reopen it, it's going to lock every single time. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.